Hi, it's Amy from Amy's Mix of Creativity. I'm back with another card making kit. This time it's Paige Evans. So if you're interested in making cards and you're a scrapbooker or you're somebody who just loves beautiful, different ephemera, different types of cool artistic stuff, this is one of my favorites. Paige Evans is somebody probably other people know about, along with Vicky Budin, the other person that I've been showcasing recently. They are part of American Crafts, which you can find mainly in stores or online scrapbooking stores like scrapbook.com, Simon Says, Stamps. I think they're both in on those websites. But they, I actually got these kits, these card making kits I think I've got this one at Joann's, and unfortunately Joann is going out of business, as a lot of you know. But yeah, I mean, it's sad, and I tried to get some things from them, and now I just want to share with people some of the stuff I've able to find. I don't think you'll find this in stock anymore there, or on their website, because it's a little bit older. It's called Blooming Wild. Fortunately, they don't put it on the front. I don't know why, but it doesn't say. But it's 559 pieces. And this is the card making kit. I'm going to do a video on the paper pads that go with Blooming Wild. I have a smaller and a larger one that I want to share. But yeah, so let me just show you some of the great things that come in this kit. This is some ephemera, which I'll go over in a minute. It comes with 20 cards. It comes with some pop dots to help you pop up the ephemera. Okay. I like these. These are nice size. Good to use in all kinds of crafting projects. And these envelopes and cards are pretty sturdy, especially as you can hear, it's got some weight to it, and the cards are very thick too. Pretty. I don't know what the weight is on this, but I'd say it's at least probably I'd say 100 100 pounds. Is that how? I don't know. Anyway, don't call me on that. I don't know. I can't think right now about what what weights on cardstock and all that. Here's some stickers, which I'll show in a minute. Let me just show the pretty card designs. You gotta give me some some grace, because I do these videos late at night when I feel better. Sometimes I'm tired after doing a bunch of them all at once. So yeah, it's getting kind of late now, but I wanted to get these done before the end of the night so I can get them up this week. I try to do all my videos in one shot. Oh, I was going to show the backs though. These are the same on both sides. Pretty. Yeah, I don't like to edit. It takes time to edit the videos. I've got so much going on in my life, and I'm trying my best. I'm dealing with some chronic illness, like I've talked about in my other videos. Don't want to get into it very much, but I've got arthritis and a genetic issue with my immune system. Yeah, a problem called Ehlers-Danlos syndrome. So I got a lot going on. But I love sharing. Oh my gosh, look how pretty that is. Gold foil. Is it gold? It's like silvery. Yeah, I think it's more silver. This one has silver hearts on it. Oh my gosh, her designs just really, I don't know. I love them. I love the colors. I just love her. I love what she comes out with. You don't want to play favorites, but I can't help it. I love Paige's creativity. It's really up my alley. So anyway, these are some sticker sheets. Just show a couple at a time. Cute little birds, butterflies, flowers. Thanks. That's cute. That's thanks a bunch. So I was thinking about this for cards. Although she's mainly a scrapbooker, she has a lot of products for card makers too. Oftentimes people who are scrapbookers are card makers also. It kind of like flows together. I started out mainly doing card making, and now I'm doing a little more scrapbooking. So yeah. So you'll see, like I'll come out with this is like a sheet of washi tape, but in there each part is like several pieces of washi. They're very thin and very, very delicate. Very cute. I love the love. So I think every row of love is a separate piece of washi tape. Very cute. Okay. Paige Evans also came out recently with an adventure line, which I am hopefully going to get. Most of the line, I ordered it through scrapbook.com. Probably won't come until next week at the earliest. But I'm excited to be able to show that too, because like I said, I just think she has such creative ideas. Some things are like, right on target. These are really cute. It's like foiled. Here's some cute flowers. These are just, there's some more foiling on this. Oh, so pretty. It's nice sentiment, right? So these are, would have to be glued onto your card or your project, or use the pop dots that are provided. The little, I don't know if they're not called pop dots, right? They're like for popping up the ephemera. Oh, happy birthday. I love that, because I'm always looking for happy birthday sentiments. If I don't feel like stamping one myself, which I have my Misty, and I've got my die cut machine, and I got all those things. But when in a pinch, when I want to make a card, and if I'm just like, oh, I gotta make this card, and I want to do it like, oh, look, this person would love a bouquet of flowers for their card. There you go. Or, or hearts. Valentine's Day was this past month, but these are like great for spring. Yeah, so this ephemera is just so beautiful. She really puts effort into it, I think, with the foiling. Not that other people don't. I'm not saying that. I'm just saying that, like, there's like this, I don't know, like touch that's just, I think is just so beautiful, like a real thought for detail. So I'm going to come back in my next video with the Blooming Wild. Let's see what I'll show you real quick. Here is her 6x8 Blooming Wild paper pad. It's pattern paper. It's got some foiling on it. It's really pretty. The silver foil is kind of like a theme in this one. And I'm going to also, I think I'm going to split up the videos just so they won't go too long, but I'm also going to go through this Blooming Wild project pad. I didn't get the 12x12 paper pad, which is just, the 6x8 a little with larger pictures, but I thought this Blooming Wild project pad would be really fun to make more projects with and make some more cards. So yeah, so come back, subscribe so you'll know when I post these videos. I'm hoping to get them out as soon as possible. And yeah, like, give me a comment. Let me know how you guys are doing. I really enjoy doing these projects, these videos, making projects. And I'm going to, like I said, do some more hands-on things, techniques, tips when I can, as much as possible. Hopefully once I'm, feeling a little bit better, once the winter's over, I'll get more into doing that too. I want to do some jelly printing and some stenciling, stamping, die cutting, all of the fun stuff too. Okay, so see you soon. Thank you. Bye.